All right, guys, check this out. You are looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set we just had done for a customer. It's an 8 top, 8 bottom teeth set with diamond dust, as you can see there. This is gold plated over 925, the sterling silver. It's a two-tone grill, gives it a nice unique look. I'll show you the back side. It just snaps right on the teeth. Right on. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth, so it'll be a perfect fit. Check that out. You could do a top, you could do a bottom, you could do a set. That's up to you. Check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. Diamond dust, two-tone, gold plated, 925, sterling silver, custom grills. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.